What are you about to do?
Jump out of the helicopter.
Yeah, you are. Choo!
Oh yeah, there's my fellow frog, Greenie Beanie.
Oh yeah, guys. Jumping out of helicopters.
I love it.
Hey, listen, I have some Navy friends.
There's that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. So at some point, you're going to see me hanging out of this helicopter looking like a superhero who we deemed was?
Bill Clark.
Bill Clark. I'm hanging out like Bill Clark. Bill Clark. Bill Clark.
Not Clark Kent.
Better than
Definitely not.
Better. Better than Clark Kent. All right, so while I was out there, I was getting my 4 yeses. Bill Clark. Bill Clark.
Ah, damn.
I could do it. He's a special forces guy. You know, he's a Greenie Beanie back in the day, first group, you know, whatever. All right, so I'm gonna hop back in here and I'm gonna tell you guys seatbelts off. So go ahead and take your seatbelts off. So we're gonna get some awesome videos like, yeah, we're gonna get some videos of you, and then me, and then you, me, you, me, you, me, us. Be like, what? This is freaking awesome! We're
Just like K-Song.
Woo! All right, your legs. Are you ready?
Yep.
Say wee. Wee. Perfect. I'll cross your legs and say wee. Wee. Just like that. And what do you do once you hit the water? Big O for okay. Love it. Wee. Yeah, girl, you got it. Your foot on the step, and we're gonna be like, this is freaking awesome. Yeah. Woo-hoo! Cross your legs, and I'm gonna say bye bye. Bye bye. See ya.
Arriba.
Arriba. Like, I remember doing this crazy crap.
Horizon.
Look, cross your arms, cross your legs, and say, woohoo! See ya. Dang, you look good.
Bill Clark.
Bill Clark! Look at you posing on video. Woo! Yes. Not Clark Kent.
Not Clark Kent.
Better than
Definitely
Clark
not.
Better. Oh, yeah, girl. Oh, yeah, guys.
Bill Clark!
Bill Clark!